Welcome to Edgewonk. If you're watching this video, you have just purchased your new Edgewonk trading journal and now you're ready to install it. So first you need to download the newest version, which you will find here on the left hand side. If you are a Windows user, you can click on the blue button. If you use Mac and Linux, you can click on the red button. And also the red button will also work for Windows. So choose either one. Then click here on the download button. You will see that the download starts immediately. It just takes a few minutes and then the download will be done. And then I will show you how to install your new Edgewonk trading journal. After you've completed the download, you come back to your computer. You open your environment and your desktop. Then you go to your downloads folder, and here is where by default most computers will store the downloads. Here you now find the Edgewonk setup file where you just double click on it. Then you will see this window for the license agreement. You read it carefully, and then after you have accepted, you can move on. Here you can then enter and change the destination where you want to install your Edgewonk trading journal. You can browse by clicking this button here, and then you can choose and change the location. If you are done, you can click on next. You can create a desktop shortcut as well. Now you see the overview for your installation, and if you confirm it, you click here on install, and then the installation will start. It just takes a few seconds until it's done. And now we can already see here is the desktop shortcut, and here's the confirmation that the setup is completed. So we just press on finish. We can close this one, and now we can double click here on this Edgewonk file on our desktop. Just give it a few minutes, and the first time you start Edgewonk, you will see this window, and now Edgewonk will download all the files from our server. It takes a few minutes or moments depending on your internet connection, and after this is done, we will come back to it. And now after the download is done, you will see that it takes a few moments, and then you will see this loading screen here. And now when you open Edgewonk for the first time, you are asked to enter your license email and your license key. The email is just the one that you used during your checkout process, and the license key you will find either in the welcome email that we send you after you've completed your purchase, or you can also find it on your account page on edgewonk.com. After you've entered your details, you just click OK, and then you wait until Edgewonk is opening up. And now you're in your brand new Edgewonk trading journal. You can see you're in your empty journal. You can go to settings and then start to set it up. We have a few videos in our YouTube channel as well as in our blog, which will help you get started. And if you have enrolled in our trader development program, then we will go through this process with you step by step. If you want to open Edgewonk the next time, you just come back to your desktop and just double click on the shortcut here, and then you will see Edgewonk will load up again. If you want to install a new Edgewonk trading journal on your computer, you just go back to your downloads folder and you just execute the Edgewonk setup file again. You then choose a different location for your second journal, and then you can create multiple journals with your one license key. And that's it already. If you have any questions, we are always very happy to help out. Just send us an email and reach us anytime if you have any questions around Edgewonk. Happy journaling, and I hope to hear from you soon.